Hey everyone, back tuning into today's video, doing 5-day forecast today. Going to have a detailed look at weather the next 5 days across the British Isles. We're in for probably one final burst of summer heat over the next 2 or 3 days. I think we could be seeing temperatures in the south getting up towards 80 Fahrenheit on Friday. That's probably the peak of the temperatures. Never say never, but I would suspect this is probably going to be the last time we see these sort of high temperatures until we get through to May or June next year. So if you like the heat, do make the most of it over the next 2 or 3 days. Before I get on with that, though, I just want to say about the ads. There's video ads on pages at gazobvious.com. Hit play on video ad. Be supporting gazobvious.com. Thanks so much for doing that. The websites that we're using for the 5-day forecast got radar pictures and some charts at the end from the weatheroutlook.com. Also got charts at weathercentre.de. You can find the link to both those websites on the links page. So just very quickly starting off with the radar picture, we've got a little bit of showery rain up in the northeast of Scotland, some showery bits and pieces down across the far southwest of England and across Ireland as well, but otherwise it is a mainly dry scene today across the country. Here's today's Stockton pressure chart. High pressure is out to the north and northeast through Scandinavia, going up towards Iceland and into Greenland. This area of low pressure off the coast of Portugal is going to eventually bring us some thundery showers as we get through to Friday and particularly probably on Saturday. And between the two, that's how we are managing to draw up this very warm southerly or southeasterly flow between that low pressure to the southwest and the high pressure to the northeast. So for today, we've had quite a bit of cloud this morning, but much of that is going to break up. I think we will keep low cloud, maybe damp, dreary skies for northeast and Scotland, parts of northeast and England. We could also keep some showery bits, pieces of rain down across the far southwest, but elsewhere a mainly dry day today with very warm sunny spells coming through. We could see temperatures living up to 25 degrees in the south this afternoon, about 77 Fahrenheit. Overnight tonight, we're probably going to increase the risk of low cloud really across many parts of the country. There'll be mist rolling back onto those eastern coasts again, and a few showers down in the southwest. It's going to be a very warm and sultry night tonight for the time of year, with temperatures no lower than 10 to 15 degrees. Moving through into Thursday, and this is where things are starting to change down in the south as this area of low pressure gets a little bit closer to the south. High pressure is still going on up to the north though, so for Scotland I think we'll keep it rather cloudy through the course of Thursday, but mainly dry. But it extends down into the northeast of England as well. For the rest of Northern England, Northern Ireland, probably cloudy start but brightening up with sunny spells. And then for the rest of England and Wales, sunny spells coming through after low cloud has burned off. But I think we will find clouds bubbling up through the course of Thursday afternoon down in the southwest, so through Wales, southwest England, probably along the Channel as well. We'll find a risk of some heavy thundery showers breaking out through the afternoon and into the evening. Temperatures tomorrow could peak in the south at around 26 degrees, that's 79 Fahrenheit. Friday sees the low pressure moving up further from the south, getting up towards northern parts of France. The instability ahead of it will be enough to generate thundery showers across parts of England and Wales. As this area of high pressure begins to get squeezed off a little bit out to the northwest. So for Scotland, Northern Ireland and much of Northern England, we probably keep it mainly dry on Friday, although the south of Northern England could be at risk of seeing some thundery showers developing later. But I think the main risk of the thundery showers on Friday would be further south than that, through Wales, parts of the southwest Midlands, central southern England and southwestern England too. Could be some big afternoon showers developing on Friday afternoon. Risk of thunderstorms mixed in, some hail thrown in as well. East Anglia and South East England probably not getting too much, so they're mainly dry there. And that's where the highest temperatures could be, peaking at around 27 degrees, perhaps around London. That's 81 Fahrenheit. Very, very warm, if not hot really, for this time of the year. Now as we go through to Saturday, got a bit of a north-south split. The high pressure is ridging back in towards the north with cooler, fresher air coming back in with it, whereas we've got this slack sort of low pressure feature across England and Wales. So I think for Scotland, Northern Ireland and much of Northern England, mainly dry again on Saturday, with sunny spells developing from the north and turning cooler and fresher for Scotland as well, with temperatures just down to 15 or 16 degrees. Now further south, Wales, much of England is going to be at the risk of heavy showers, maybe some thunderstorms. Not sure the convective potential will be quite so great on Saturday as compared to Friday really. I think for lightning and thunder, you probably have a better chance of that on Friday, whereas Saturday, maybe just more sort of general thundery bursts of rain, to be honest, and some of those bursts of rain could be quite heavy and torrential. How far north this is getting is open to some question. Some models want to take this right up into northern England, whereas some other models want to keep it a little bit further south. So I'll have to firm up on that, quite how far north this rain goes Friday into Saturday. But a big contrast in temperatures from north to south. I say, but north just into the mid-teens through Saturday afternoon, despite being mainly dry with sunny spells, whereas the south could still be up to around 25, 77 Fahrenheit. Very humid as well through Friday and Saturday. Now go through to sunny, and that thundery low is clearing away to the east, and the high pressure is coming back down from the north, but this time it's got cooler and fresher air with it. So I think much of England and Wales will probably start Sunday with a lot of low cloud and damp, drizzly bits and pieces of rain. All of that should clear away with brighter skies edging down from the north. So we'll end Sunday across most parts of the country on a mainly fine note with sunny spells. But the big thing you'll notice is it's turning much cooler and fresher down in the south. Temperatures somewhere across the country between, say, 13 and 19 degrees. Much, much closer to the average for the 21st of September. And probably quite a cold night, actually, on Sunday night. There could be some ground frost, particularly up in the north. High pressure's in nicely as we go through into the start of next week. We end the 5-day forecast period with high pressure back over the country, albeit with a different air mass associated with that high pressure, so it will be a cool and fresher feel, despite the fact it's mainly dry with sunny spells. Temperatures just into the teens, really, for most parts of the country, 13 to 19, something like that, and quite cold early and late. Going through to charts from Weather Outlook, just so you can see the chart in weather in your area. Here's today's situation. A lot of dry weather across the country with sunny spells, always cloudy up to the northeast and down to the southwest. Moving through to Thursday, we could get some thundery showers setting off down in the southwest, but otherwise a lot of dry weather. Temperatures becoming very warm down in the south. This doesn't show much in the way of showers on Friday. I think they could be more widespread than this, particularly through perhaps Wales, parts of the West Midlands, southwestern England. We've got to watch out for what's happening Friday afternoon. There could be some big showers, thunderstorms building up. Temperatures peaking in the south. Look at that, 27 degrees. Probably the last time we'll reach 80 Fahrenheit till next summer. Showers become widespread as we move through into Saturday. Heavy showers, longer spells of rain possible across parts of the country. Turning cooler from the north, but still pretty warm down in the south and the southwest. Mainly dry as we go through to Sunday, the last of the showery bits and pieces of rain clearing away from the south. And then I say it's mainly dry conditions edging back from the north, but temperatures taking a tumble, going much closer to where you would expect them to be on the 21st of September. And then finally we end the 5-day forecast on Monday with a lot of dry weather across the country, but temperatures are much, much more sensible, much closer to what you would expect. And it could be quite cold, actually, early and late on Monday morning and again on Monday night, and that's true for Sunday night as well. So in summary, we're going to get one final burst of summer heat coming up over the next few days. I think you're going to see temperatures peaking down in the south at around 80 Fahrenheit. Make most of it if you enjoy it, because it's probably the last time we'll get that high. But as I said at the start of the video, never say never, never rule out what's going to happen with the British weather. So gets very warm, get some thundery showers breaking out Friday into Saturday, and then Sunday, Monday, turning drier again, but also turning cooler from the north. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.